Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick LaTeX tutorial in terms of how to get those nice outlined lists that you see in some of my proofs on the website. So let me give you an example just by doing them. I've got the homework for day 20 out right here, and I want to show you how to get the general gist. By blah blah on the whoosiewhatsit. And then it compiles that. Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah, cool. And so, what are the blah blah cases for whoosiewhatsit? I mean, you have to think about it for a minute, but it's something like this. So, you want to do different cases. So, okay, they've hopefully created an item for you. Uh, case one, item case B, item case the third. Okay, great. So you've got your cases lined up. You're a pro at this. It's going to go great. But you say, oh well, actually, I want this to be more complicated. So that's sort of the theme, right? So you might say like n equals a. I don't know. Now let's watch it re-render. So now instead of the bullet, you can give an argument to item where you write in square brackets what you'd like instead of the bullet. So there's this idiom where like I like to wrap it in parentheses. You could do it differently. You could do something like this, right? Maybe do a dot there or a parenthesis or something, just to get different sort of effects here. Um, this looks a little weird to me. I really like this format. Um, and so then you can go on and write all of your other cases this way. N equals B, and then you can do something like this, right? This is, I think, let it compile. You can see the last thing. This is, I think, sort of a really nice way to go. Now, maybe you have some sub cases. All right, so which kind of B? So, okay, let's try it. Down a little. Uh, what you just want to do is start another itemize. Now, I choose itemize here because the order I think is not so important. You could also do enumerate if you wanted to. It doesn't matter. Once you've overridden the label, then it really doesn't matter which one you're in. Um, we could do lowercase b, uppercase b, right? And you'll notice what's happening here is it's aligning here on the right. So without a bunch of text here, it ends up looking, I think, a little bit funny. Not really a big deal. I think this still looks fine. There are commands you can learn if you want to fix things up. So the thing to look up is a package called enumitem. What you could do is you could add up here, use package enumitem, and then there's a bunch of settings you can put that sort of will rearrange how these bits look. By default, it'll look exactly the same, but then there's some commands you can do. If you don't care, pretend I never said anything. Okay, to reiterate, this is the general format. I will post this code snippet up in Zulip so you can all copy it to your heart's content. Okay, that's all. Just wanted to show that off. Talk to y'all soon.